Fun fact, hamburgers were referred to as Liberty sandwiches during World War I. Fun fact, a Minnesota casino set a world record for the largest hamburger. It weighed just over a ton and was 10 feet in diameter. My last fun fact is McDonald's sells 75 hamburgers every second.
Pop test. Let's make a burger. Good, nice and toast on that. We have our my modified truffle sauce going down. We have ketchup.
What does that taste like?
Worcestershire sauce. You want to try some? There you go. Mustard. Yeah, well, ketchup in there too.
Two vinegary. Is there mustard in there?
Yeah, there's mustard in there.
Two vinegary.
And there's the patty. Looks great. And this bacon looks incredible. A little dark. That's because this is we soaked it in maple syrup before we cooked it, so that's why it looks like that. A little flat. That top bun kind of got smushed, but all in all, a pretty good looking burger. What do you think, kiddo?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, let's go and give it a try. good looking burger. Very simple burger today. Just again trying out the amazing ballistic griddle, Craycourt ballistic griddle. I forget the name of it. Good bacon? Yeah. So you eat because you eat your burger there too, right? Mm-hmm. I'm gonna start just stuffing my face full of beef. What do you think? Pretty good? Yeah. Ooh, nice. Is it juicy? Nice and moist. I absolutely love smash burgers. I probably could eat them every day. They're amazing. Yeah. What you doing?
Inspecting the burger.
Inspecting the burger? What'd you find?
Because the bee landed on it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, don't put the bacon in there? That's what most of us do. Yeah. Boom. Wait, one more for you. Yeah. Good stuff. Thanks for stopping by. Got a double bock drinking today. Not bad. Andy Gator from Abita Brewing. Pretty good? Is there too much there for you? You sure? Okay, fine. Well, nothing much else to do, but thanks for watching, everybody. Any ideas, let me know. We'll go and give it a shot. I love cooking with this little one. She's not so little anymore. She's growing up. Try putting a block on her head or work on her head to get her to stop, but it doesn't work for some reason. I don't know. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day. Keep barbecuing, America.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
November.
Yeah, I'm not sure when it's going to come out. Probably late November is what I'm thinking. People are thinking, what are you doing out there in a t-shirt in November? It's snowing outside right now.
Today's Halloween.
Today's Halloween. It's also called dating the video, which you sometimes don't want to do, but that's okay. We're not too serious where dating the video actually matters. Have a great day.